Hey, it's Gina with WTI. We have a ton of blackberry bushes and other things that have thorns all around our yard, and I needed something that was going to help to protect not just my hands, but also my arms. I'm so pleased with these thorn-resistant gloves that I got from MEPEREZ. Every year I scratch my arms up so bad when I'm trying to clear out the blackberry bushes especially, and this has been such a nice protection to have. It has definitely helped to keep my arms and hands from getting scratched and punctured. Some things that I like about these gloves are, first off, how comfortable they are. There's some really nice padding in the palm area, which is very convenient when you're pulling things to keep your hands from getting too worn. And of course, I love the length on these. So these go up just past my elbows, and the sleeve is wide enough that I can fit it over a long sleeve shirt. Or when it gets really hot, I can just wear it with a tank top and not worry about getting all scratched up. My dominant hand is 4 inches across from the edge of my thumb across my palm to the other side of my hand. And I got the size medium, and these fit really well. These have been great for pulling up bamboo and grass, things that would normally cut my hands. And I just love having this really nice protection. So if you're looking to protect your hands this spring and summer for all your gardening needs, you can't go wrong with this pair of long garden gloves from MEPEREZ, and that's my point of view.